For the last 60 years, the Navy's relied on steam-powered catapults to launch our aircraft. The Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, EMALS, has been installed and tested on the first 2 catapults on board Gerald R. Ford. EMALS greatly expands the limited ability of the steam catapults in terms of being able to launch heavier aircraft, but also lighter aircraft with a linear acceleration curve that will reduce the wear and tear on the aircraft. EMALS is built much differently than the steam system, so it's designed and built with maintenance in mind, so the maintenance requirements of this are reduced. EMALS will revolutionize the way that we launch the aircraft today and into the future for this new class of aircraft carrier.